Hey everyone, it's Aaron Flutter here, and I am here filming for the next week, which is the final week of January. So I am filming for the week of the 28th through the 3rd. So this week, yet again, I don't really know what's going on shutdown wise, so I'm just going to play it by ear. I'm going to do a little bit of a Dutch door setup for this week. Since I left some extra pages just in case I do get back to work. And then I have a little design over here that I am going to do for my January review, and I'm going to set that up as well. So I'm just going to hop onto it and put some music on and fast forward you through, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, so that is my setup for the week. I decided to just do my weekend all in one go because we're going to be having a visitor for the most part, and then a Super Bowl Sunday and Tyler's birthday and all that kind of stuff. So I put Friday through Sunday together. So, because I just don't think I'm going to have a ton of tasks. And then I included that information over here. I also have a list for priority tasks. This can probably be a general task list also, so that I can just keep referring to it instead of going back to the master task list every time. So I'm just gonna spend a little bit more time transferring stuff from my master task list over into this priority tasks for the end of the month. And then I have a whole bunch of room just in case, fingers crossed, work situations work out. So who knows? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. And then, of course, I have my January in review as I usually do. This is more of a social media review. I'm thinking about leaving some of this space to do my highlights, because you guys know from my fail video that whenever I do some sort of structure for my highlights, I never really fill it in. So I'm hoping that if I have some space here, I can just go back and flip through the month and go ahead and see like what kind of highlights I had and things like that. And then for my social media, I have what the number was at the start of the month, the end of the month, and then the difference between the two. This month wasn't exactly great in terms of growth, but it is what it is. And then we are going to flip right on into February. So if you haven't seen this video yet, I will link that in the card and in the description below so that you can take a look. And I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, everyone.